Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're joining, if you're new, if you've seen my face for the first time, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I think I'll like that. So this video is not scripted. It is like me just talking to the camera in the comfort of my room. So I'm going to talk about my YouTube channel because I've not been here for a very long time. I think the last time I posted a video was about 2 months ago, and honestly, I feel so bad not being able to achieve the goals, the reason why I created my channel in the first place. And so I have so many factors that contributed to that, at least. But then let's just have a chit chat. So I think I'm going to ask kindly again, please subscribe to my channel. At least if you like my face or there's something that you like, there must be something that you like about my channel. Just be honest. There must be something that you like about my channel. So let that one thing, whether it's my face or the sound of my voice or the way I try to curate my videos, just subscribe to my channel. So let's talk about my YouTube channel, right? So I started this channel, I think it should be like a year or 2 years ago, or a year, and I don't know. I'll have to go back to my first video to figure that out. But then I had this goal of monetizing my channel. I had so many things I want to share on my channel. The main purpose of me opening this channel is just to document my life, document like maybe my daily life or my life in general, things that I love, so that people will get to know me aside seeing my pictures on social media, right? Because I feel like YouTube is one place I get to be free. I get to talk and record myself for a very long time and then post it for people to view, right? So what inspired me to start my channel was watching other people's YouTube videos, and I like things that people post. So most times I spend my time watching, liking, commenting. So I was like, okay, I want to have my own community here on my channel. That was one of the reasons why I created my channel. First of all, I got my first fresh roses during Valentine, and it was courtesy of my man, and I really love it. So back to what this video is all about. So like I said, I am so much of an unserious human being when it comes to how I live my life. But I pray that this 2025, 2015, why am I going backwards? That I'm going to be very serious with the things that I'm doing. So am I quitting YouTube? You see, sometimes like when you start something, just like with this channel, right? I feel like sometimes when you start something and you have this zeal, you have this energy, you have this, you want to achieve this, you want to do that, this is what you think you want to do, this is what you think you want to do. At some point, you lose focus. That is what is going on with me and my YouTube channel. So I would say I lost focus about why I created my channel, and I didn't feel the drive to actually get up and record a video. Plus, the apartment that I'm living in currently is so dark. My apartment is always dark, so to record a video is a hassle for me. So most times I have to depend on when there's light. There's light now, that's why I'm able to record this video that you're going to see when it goes up. So sometimes I have to wait, because whenever the sun is up, I don't really get enough natural light into my room. So that is why most times I can't really like record a video. The room is always dark. I can't record a video that is of low quality and expect people to enjoy it. No, because sometimes when I see other people's videos, what attracts me to their videos is actually the quality of the video. Let me reintroduce myself to this channel. So my name is Margaret Echendu. Margaret, Amara, Mary, they are all my names. So I just choose any of my names, any of my middle names, and then with my surname. So Margaret is one of my name, Amara is my name, Mary is my name, and then my surname is Echendu. So and I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle enthusiast. I love creating content based on these niches, right? So, and I'm a makeup artist. I was in practicing makeup artist from 2015 up until 2023. So I had a studio which is currently closed down because I was not really getting. It wasn't the location I'm in. I feel like it wasn't giving me what I want in terms of the clients the clients would I say the client the type of clients that I need, or I feel like I want to expose my brand to. I'm not really getting it. So for now, my studio is closed, but hopefully we'll do something about it very soon. So aside these things, right? I am I'm born March 14th, so I'm obviously a Pisces, and I am an empath. I'm very empathetic when it comes to dealing with other people. And yeah, that's all I want you guys to know about my channel for now, about me for now. So maybe along the line, I'm going to always introduce myself and you get to find out things about me. So my favorite food is jollof rice, and I love malt drinks. So it's something that I can take even when I'm sick. So that's by the way. So we're still talking about my channel. So one of the things that actually demoralized me when it comes to recording videos and posting on my channel was having low views. I have low views. I have low views in my videos, and it's kind of, sometimes I feel bad about it. I feel like, oh, I don't want to record again. I don't want to do YouTube again. I'm quitting. I want to take a break. And there's one thing about me that, I love about myself. I prioritize my mental health. I'm somebody that easily gets depressed. I easily get when I mean depressed, borderline depression, like I start feeling like, oh, so I have to balance every aspect of myself. Nothing comes first in my life aside myself. Like I always put myself first. So when it comes to building a community online and doing social media, YouTube, and the rest of it all, I love it so much. I'm an introvert, so I get to communicate to people through my social media. I can't keep real friends. It's always hard for me. So I have very close circle. Like I think I have a best friend. I have two best friends, but then I have one that I'm very, very close to. So I communicate more on social media, and I'm so grateful to be born during the era of social media. So imagine if I was born before the era of social media, nobody would hear about me because you will not see me anywhere. Honestly, I'm just like my mom. My mom doesn't really have any friends up until today, but I'm quite opposite of her. I think I'm some part of me is like my mom. Then the most part of me is like my dad. My dad is very social. He's an outgoing person. So I think I took on that person, on both of their personalities. Sometimes I'm in my corner, like deep in my corner. I don't want to be outside. The next minute I'm outside, and I'm outside. I want to socialize and stuff. So that is just me. So at some point, like I said, I'm just recording a freelance video in my room. This video might not really be professionally edited, or it might not be. I just want it to be raw, in all raw form, just me and you having conversation, right? So where was I? So like I said, it wasn't scripted, so I can be talking a lot of gibberish, but I know what I'm saying. So that is it. So I love my social media. So when I started creating content, I have this drive to create content. I have goals to create content. I want to work with brands in the future. I want to do a lot of things, even bring my personal business and my and some other things online, so that people will get to know me aside my pictures on social media. But then it is hard. It is hard, very, very hard. Somehow hard, because number one aspect of social media is for you to be able to put your camera on your face and record a video, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. The second thing is to edit it, and the third thing is to post it. The fourth is to see views, like see people really love your video and want to interact with your video and be like, oh, I want to be here. When I see people on people's channel and TikToks and Facebook comments saying, oh, I want to be on this side of the channel, I want to be here, I pray that one day people will want to be on my side of channel. So because I'm struggling with views and a lot of things, I had to stop recording, because I was feeling like, what's the point of recording a video and editing it, going through the stress of editing it and then posting it only not to get views. But I figured out a lot of things recently as I was going through other creators' channels to learn a lot of things, and I was figuring out the mistakes that I was making. Number one, I was sharing my link anytime I post a video, which potentially kill my videos according to what I learned recently. Because sometimes I share my link to my family and friends, and it's not like they are watching the videos because, of course, they already know me, they have seen me finish. So recently I decided that okay, oh, so this also kills my channel. So next time I'm not going to really share my link, I'm just going to record a video and post it for strangers to come and watch. And if any of my family members feel like they want to watch, or my friends feel like they want to watch, they are welcome as well. So another thing I learned, I'm trying to learn and implement with recording my YouTube channel, my YouTube videos, is being consistent, because that consistency part is where I have a problem, because there are some days you're sick, there are some days you don't feel like doing anything. That is me. There are some days you don't feel like putting a camera on your face. There are some days you don't feel like operating your phone at all, because I record these videos with my phone. I record ever since I started my YouTube channel. I record my videos with my phone. That is the only thing I used to record for now until I can be able to afford a camera. So recently there's been a lot of changes going on behind the scene, in my life, and it's positive change, because it's also going to contribute to me recording more videos, and also a lot of things that I'm planning to do and bring them to light. Thank you to my supportive partner. One thing is to have the zeal to want to do something as a human being. Another thing is to have supportive family members, friends, and partner, because it's very, very important. Sometimes our social life, our family life, or relationship life, or whatever, used to interfere with our personal ability to be productive. So yeah, that happens to me or most of the time. I cannot function alone. Most times I need support of other people, my family, my partner, so that I will be able to function. Because there are some days you feel like you know what you are doing. Some days you be like, am I even worth it? This thing I'm doing, does it make any sense? So most times when I'm in that state of mind, my boyfriend will be like, oh, you're trying, you just need to do it like this and like this and like this, and before you know it, you'll get to where you're going to. And that's, for me alone, is all the support that I need. And my mom, I used to talk to her sometimes, and my siblings and all that. So back to my channel, right? So I promise to be recording videos often and on now, so that we can stay connected in this YouTube channel. And please, I am begging, subscribe to my channel. Please, I need more subscribers. I need you guys to watch my videos and tell me what you think about my videos. Just watch. Just watch. Promise you're going to enjoy one or two things. Just watch. So whatever you want me to, whatever videos that you would like to see on my channel, you can suggest it to me on my comment section. I get to reply and see what everybody thinks. So so if you're planning to start your YouTube channel, just know that it's not so easy. It's not as easy as watching other people's videos. And if you have already started your channel and you're going through exactly what I'm going through now, not getting views, not getting subscribers, not knowing where to start and where to stop, you're not alone. I am one of them. Like, my hand is up. But am I quitting YouTube? No, I'm not going to quit YouTube. I'm just going to take tiny breaks in between filming a video and rest and come back again. That is what we're going to do until we achieve our goal. So my goal this 2025 is to finally try as much as possible to monetize my channel. I just need it monetized, because it's going to help me a lot with every other thing that I want to do. I want to monetize my channel. I like multiple streams of income. So it's one of the reasons, one of the drives that made me, start recording myself. And also, I started liking to record myself from when I ventured a beauty world as a makeup artist, because sometimes you create videos of your clients, and I started, the first time I recorded a video, I was very shy. I was like, I'm not looking so pretty. What are people going to say? My eyes is like this, my nose is like this, my mouth is like this. But along the line, I really, really, really honestly don't care about those things. I feel like I just want to be authentically me and just show up as me, and whoever loves me as me is going to gravitate towards me. So If you're trying to open up a channel and you are confused, you don't know where to start, watch other creators that are, that have been here before, people like us, and you learn a two or three from them, and just be authentic. So that is what we're going to be in 2025. 100% authentic. Do you get? And show up as us. So finally, again, am I quitting YouTube? No, I'm just going to put in more effort. And yeah, so that's it about this particular video. Subscribe, guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.